Hi guys, welcome back to the Drive Live channel, and in today's video we're going to be showing you how to replace dip beam bulb on a P3 Volvo. Now, for those of you who watched the last video, this video is actually filmed about 40 minutes after that, where just at the end of the video one of the bulbs went. It's the the near side front, so we're going to replace that now. Now, I'm a bit of a OCD freak in this sort of things, so I always like to replace bulbs in pairs, and I just went down to the local auto parts shop. We just got some cheap bulbs. They're only the dip beam. If it was high beam I'd get quality bulbs, but because it's dip beam, chances are you're in fairly well lit areas anyway if you're only using your dip beam, or you've got cars kept lighting the way towards you. That's my logic anyway. So yeah, we'll whip the headlight out, show you guys how to do it on both, and yeah, enjoy. So first thing we want to do then is remove the pins that hold in the headlight. Now, they're super easy to get out, these headlights, designed by the best, I think, in terms of they understood how bulbs are consumable, and actually getting to them should be nice and easy, which is, yeah, good on Volvo, thank you for that. So we now just need to remove this headlight. A bit precarious with one hand, but I'll give it a go. If not, it just pulls out this headlight. It's not a difficult thing at all, like so. And then, as you'll see underneath, I'll go and get the GoPro actually, it'll make this easier for you guys. There we are, so that's better for you, isn't it? Right, so let's pull the headlight out, nice and easy. Now, my only issue is getting these plugs off. I can never do it first time, it's always an absolute struggle. So it's probably not going to happen on this camera, so I'll join you. Oh, hang on a minute, I lied. It's working, it's just because I've just taken it off, that's why. To work out whether the bulb was actually broken or whether it was an electrical connection. So what we need to do now is remove this rear panel. This is super easy. Again, flick that up, and then you should have this metallic clip like that. I haven't, because I took it off earlier and forgot to put it back on, and it should just come off this panel like so. Now, this is our H7 dip beam bulb here. All we need to do is just lift it out at an angle like that, pull it out, and there is our duff bulb. So I'm just going to pull it out of the socket like so, and then we're going to open our new bulb. Now, the trick is with these, and I've said it before and I'll say it again, never touch the bulb, because it creates, oh, this is interesting, I never had one with this on, because it creates a temperature differential from the oil on your fingers, which can cause the bulb to prematurely die. So it's like so, into there. If we can get this to go in, perfect. There we go, still haven't touched the bulb so far. And now all we need to do is just bring it up closer for you guys. Slot it in top first, then any particular side. There we go. You'll see it when you guys do it, it's fairly easy. And there we go, that is how to replace a dip beam bulb. I'm now going to show you the same on the driver's side, and yeah, it's a nice, simple, easy little job. And what's that taken me? 5 minutes. We'll quickly just put it back now. Just slot these sort of tongues into place here. I think that's what they're called, tongues. Clip this back on. Clip this one round, and don't forget to do that one, because if you don't do it, you end up getting moisture in your headlights. Plug it back in, like so. Try and get that on a bit more. Oh, there we go. And this might be a record for the quickest bulb change here, people. Make sure your seal's tucked in up here. It's going to look a bit silly if it's not. The headlight's not going to go in first time, is it? There we go, excellent. Right, 2 pins back in there, and actually you guys are on top of one. That one there, and that one there, and boom, we are done. So 3 minutes that took. Let's do the other side and see if we can do it any quicker. Okay then, so I'll just get you guys into position again. That's it, this is probably the best view. I'll do it there. Oh, you're going to fall over. There we go. Right, let's start the clock now. 17 seconds in. So 2 pins out, slide the headlight out like so, plug off. Is this going to be a quick one? Ah, it's going to be a nightmare. Come on. Ugh. It's not playing ball. Might have to request the help of a pin here just to prise it out. Just be careful that you don't break it, so probably don't do this. Come on. There we go, it's coming. Perfect. Now, because this is a good bulb, I'm going to try and keep it, so I'm not going to touch it when I remove it, which is easier said than done. Come on. There we go. Right, get the new bulb out. Like so. Bung it in. Slot it in. Try not to smash it off the side like I just did. There we go. Slot the back back on. Like that. Clip it in. Slide the headlight back into place. Oh, this is a quick one. This is, there we go. Seals back in place. Slot the pins in. And the time is, oh, that took me 2 minutes and 10 seconds. So yeah, you guys can see how easy that is to do. What I'm going to do, I like to keep the bulbs that aren't gone, just as sort of an emergency. So if I'm on the motorway or something and one goes, I can stop at the nearest services, put the new bulb in, or put a used bulb in, and yeah, keep going. So I'm going to place that sleeve on top of it, bung it back in the box and stick it in my glove box, so I've got it for future. Okay then guys, just a quick tip, throw the bulbs away in the box. I think you can work out what that means. This is our used one that's still working, so I'm going to bang that in the glove box, and yeah, that way you don't get the effed one mixed up with the used one. So yep, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Let me know how you guys find replacing these. This is obviously for the halogens. Xenons might not be as easy, so I don't know, I've never changed one. But yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next video. Cheers.